Hello from Toronto, reporting live from my kitchen. This came in the mail. I wonder what it could be. If you didn't know, Auntie Angel and Uncle Angel are on a trip in Mexico. And what did they do with their lovely daughter? They left her home. All jokes aside, they did not leave me home. I have summer school and I'm a responsible adult, and so I was like, I can't come on the trip with you guys. And they're like, no, and I'm like, I know, but so here we are. And this came, and I'm pretty sure I know what it is. I'm really hoping it's a carpet bag that I'm gonna say mom, but like Auntie Angel, that she ordered. She's worked with them before, but we love their stuff, and she got a, I don't want to say freebie, but she did. She got a gift of a purse, and she has larger ones, she has smaller ones, but this one, it spoke to me, okay? Absolutely loved it, and I was like, can that come with London to me? Like, you're just not gonna have it for 2 months, and that's what it's gonna be. But she was like, no, I will gift you a bag and a little change purse. And so I know that they want to work with mom again. I'm so happy for that because she loves the bags. And guess what? I love the bags too. And guess who gets to get in on some of her freebies? Although this was not freebie. This was freebie from mommy, but not freebie from the brand, okay? And I just need to figure out how to actually unbox a box. It is it, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, so big box, and then it's like in tissue paper and stuff, and oh my gosh, I am so excited. Okay, I kept going back on the website to look at it because I loved it so much. So much. Oh my gosh. Okay. Deep breaths. Okay. It feels so nice. Okay, I'm gonna take out everything. Comes in this lovely monogrammed tissue paper. Okay, so that's everything from the dust bag. Love that they give you a dust bag. I know that Auntie Angel ordered a Michael Kors purse because it had the cherry blossoms, and you know her, she loves her cherry blossoms. It did not come with a dust bag. I'm like, this is Michael Kors. This is a high-end brand, and you don't get a flippin' dust bag? But guess who does? So this is the brand Max Carpet Bag Works, MCW handmade. I think mom discovered them first on Etsy and then the actual website that they have. I love them, although, okay, so she called it her Mary Poppins bag. She saved up for months to get it. It's huge. It is a true Mary Poppins bag. It will fit everything, okay? I wasn't in need of that. Then she got a little bag and I was like, But she has these, I don't know what they're advertised as on the website, but mom uses them for her glasses. She puts her sunglasses in one and her glasses in the other. It's 2 compartments, but it's long, like it fits your glasses. And I was like, where was that when I was having 3 pairs of glasses on my person at all times? Like, that is genius. And now it fits all of her medications. It's long enough to fit an EpiPen. And so she did. She puts her EpiPens, she puts her EpiPen, and I think also her inhaler for asthma. I also have asthma, and so that is also great to know that it fits in there. Like, if you, like, just because it says something online or that's the description doesn't mean you have to use it like that. Because I think it's genius that Auntie Angel puts her EpiPen in the compartment and then she puts her glasses on the other side. Like, this thing is amazing. Okay, so this is the change purse that mom said, darling, you sit down, you go on their website and you pick out one. You pick out a purse and an accessory. So I could have gotten like the glasses thing, but here's the thing. Okay, yes, I have my reading glasses, but that's it now. So I only have 1 pair of glasses versus 2 pairs plus the pair on me, you know? Like, it doesn't make sense now. It would have made sense years ago when I had reading glasses, distance glasses, and sunglasses. I know that might sound like a lot, but they were accumulated over time, okay? They were not all at once purchased. Oh my gosh, it's even perfecter than on the website. Oh my gosh. Oh, and it feels like a carpet because it's a carpet bag, right? But oh, it feels so nice. Look at the craftsmanship. It's a flower. I love the floral. It came in a white one as well, but you couldn't see like the bow very well on the white one. So I chose this gray one, but I think it's more blue than gray. And then this is like the inside. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's perfect because I figure I'll just put like cards on one side and then actual cash change on one side. And there it is. Because right now I have a change purse and I have a wallet. And this, guys, it doesn't look that big, but it holds a crap ton. Like, Auntie Angel cleaned out this one before she went away. And she had $32 in loonies and toonies. That's $1 and $2 coins. So, like, you could fit 32 loonies in just a little pouch, just a little side. It's awesome. And I bet you this would fit my inhaler. That's awesome. Because in this family, the ladies, Mom and I, we are medically complex people. And we need meds on us. So for Mom, it's her EpiPen. For me, it's my inhaler. But it's perfect! Oh, and it has like a little base. And oh my gosh, I love the flowers. Okay. Oh, I feel like I'm recording this because they're away, but I feel like this should have been quieter because she's ASMR. But I was too excited. I was not quieting my voice, people. No way, Jose. Okay. The big reveal. The purse, the pièce de résistance. It's so nice. I'm in love. I am in love! Okay. And then it's a magnetic open and closure, which is what, like, Mom opened hers last time, and I was like, what? It does that? What? I'm in love. I'm in love. I'm in love. And, like, it's light enough. It could be a summertime, a springtime, a fall time, and a winter time. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. This is amazing. Thank you, Mama. There we go. But wait, it gets better. I know, you're thinking. I know, you're thinking, Baby Angel, how can it get better? But it does. Because it comes with a matching strap for it to be crossbody. Like, look at this beauty. Goes like that. Okay. So I can be, see, I like a little strap, but I need a big strap in case I'm walking around, you know, if I got my hands full. So we have this for walking, and then we can have this for running for the bus. And it has little feet on it. I feel like that is the height of class when a bag has feet on it. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to put all of my stuff in here. Oh my goodness. And it's so large inside. Like, oh my gosh. Okay. So I think I did a pretty good match without them being identical for these two. Like, you don't want matchy-matchy, although you could do matchy-matchy. They do matchy-matchy. But they didn't do matchy-matchy in this. Or like, they did do matchy-matchy, but it wasn't a full design. Like, it might have been like a leaf. And, like, it has a bow. And I don't know if Mama's told you guys, but I love bows so much that we now have this. Oh, my gosh. Okay, hold on. We're going to pause for a second. I'm going to fill up my bag. Okay, and we're back. I just grabbed my purse from the purse hook. We have something in the entryway when you enter the house. Because Dad got tired of us using the banister as a purse holder. Okay, so this is my normal bag. It's like, it's supposed, It's a bagoo, but not a bagoo. It's from Roots. Absolutely love it. It's humongous. I am a person who needs a very long strap and to do crossbody, like the Lululemon fanny packs that people were wearing crossbody. No, that almost choked me out. Like, I could not do it. The strap is so long. I still have tail room, okay? And it's past my hip. It's so far down. Like, it's amazing for being so long, crossbody, hands-free. Perfect for wandering a city, you know? But not perfect for going out to see friends or something. Okay, so what we all have in here. This is a Poppy and Peony makeup case container thingamabobby. I use it to keep all of my crap so that I can just change it from my school bag to my purse to another school bag. And you know, it has the essentials like sunscreen for something that you paid a lot of money for. You don't want it going away. We have sunscreen in here. It fits quite a bit. Like, I got some makeup. I have like the Ola Henriksen Pout Preserve Peptide Lip Treatment. Love these things. Oh, and Auntie Angel was so kind. She knows I love Ola Henriksen, especially these, that she got the new edition from Sephora for the Pride collection, where it is, she loves the outside. I love the actual formula, but it's all like rainbows. It's very nice, but she knows I love these, and so anytime there's a new one out, Mom is very kind. So yeah, it just has all the crap, you know, the stuff that ends up at the bottom of your bag. Instead of it being at the bottom of the bag, it's in this. And guess what? It fits. Oh, this is perfection. It fits in the bag. See? And now it looks a bit more stuffed, so you can see how the bag actually looks. But, you know, I keep that, and then I just keep... Okay, you know how I just said, oh, it keeps the stuff from getting to the bottom of the purse? And then I have 2 other lip products in the bottom of my purse. I like a lippy. What can I say? My mother has influenced me to like lippies. So the first one is a Laneige sleeping mask. It's from Christmas. It's the chocolate scent. Dude, it seriously smells like you're eating chocolate. And the other one is Lise Wachie. This was totally Mom's influence because she does Shoppers and they carry a lot of Lise Wachie, and with that, she uses her points to get them. Always find a person who knows how to use points, because she's amazing for it. So yeah, I have this, and then I also have that. And then I have my keys, and they just go in the side of the bag. Ooh, got a little patch. There we go. And then what do I do with my wallet? There it is. This is also Mama's. It keeps my Presto. And then all the cards and stuff inside. I think it's supposed to be for coins. But yeah, and then how embarrassing. I stole Mama's change purse. I guess I have to give this back now because I have my own. Where'd it go? 1 second, did I put it in here? I did. That explains why the bag wasn't going all the way down, because there was something in it. But so, I guess I should change these over now because I have my own. I don't have to steal Mama's anymore. I can have my own. She's probably going, Baby Angel, why am I seeing on my YouTube channel my change purse? I was wondering where that went. And I'll be like, oopsies. Oopsie daisies. It'll be in your bedroom when you come home. But yaysies. So, they go in as well. We'll just put both in because they fit. Why not? If it fits, it sits. That's what they say for cats. If they fit in a box, they sit. And so there is my own carpet bag.